Good morning. Today we are going to discuss about the concept of refraction of light. What is the refraction of light? When a light travels from one medium to another, it deflects from its path. This is known as the refraction of light. And the necessary condition for refraction is light should be travel from one medium to another. Now take air, and in air we place a glass slab. This is a glass slab. Glass slab. Now particle in air is so far as comparison to the part in the glass. So glass is treated as a denser medium. This is denser medium, and here air is treated as a rare medium. Rare medium. Now a ray of light, we take a ray of light, and this ray of light is strike on the surface of glass slab. After strike, light travel inside the glass slab, but it deflects from its path. We grab a normal. This is a normal, and the original path of the light should be this. Now when a light travels from rare medium to denser medium, it bends toward the normal. Now light bend toward the normal. The angle between normal and incident ray is called angle of incidence, and the angle between normal and refracted ray is called angle of refraction. Now here law of refraction first is incident ray, refracted ray and normal lies in same plane. Now and second is here angle I is not equal to angle R. Now if this is the air having refractive index Na, and here this is glass having refractive index Nz. Now what is the refractive index? Simply the refractive index is the ratio of speed of light in vacuum to speed of light in any medium. Means if we take a refractive index of air, means this here Na is the refractive index of air. This represents speed of light in vacuum divided by speed of light in air. This is called refractive index of air. Now this is the refractive index of glass, which is simply represent the ratio of speed of light in vacuum to the speed of light in glass. Now here refractive index of air sine value of I, Na sine I, which is equal to refractive index of glass sine value of R, which is equal to refractive index of glass sine value of R. Now here sine I divided by sine R, which is equal to Ng divided by Na. Now sine I divided by sine R represent the ratio of refractive index of glass with respect to vacuum to the refractive index of air with respect to vacuum, and simply it is represented as refractive index of glass with respect to air. Now our next term is refractive index. Now what is the refractive index? Refractive index of a particular medium is represented by letter M, and it is the speed of light in vacuum, speed of light in vacuum to the speed of light in medium. Then this is the refractive index of that medium. If we represent refractive index of glass, this is equal to speed of light in vacuum. This is constant term. The speed of light in vacuum is 3 into 10 to the raised power 8 meter per second. And now divide on Vg, simply velocity in glass or speed in glass. And here if we take refractive index of water with respect to vacuum. Now this is the refractive index of glass with respect to vacuum, and this is also refractive index of water with respect to vacuum. And if we compare with vacuum, then the speed of light in vacuum, which is 3 into 10 to the power 8 meter per second, divided by here water medium is used, then velocity in speed in water. Now this represents the refractive index of water. We have to calculate the refractive index of glass with respect to water, and this is simply as the ratio of refractive index of glass divided by refractive index of water. This represents refractive index of glass with respect to water. And simply the refractive index of glass, this is the speed of light in vacuum divided by speed of light in glass, and this is the refractive index of water, and this is simply speed of light in vacuum divided by speed of light in water, VW. Now C's cancel out. Now this is represent speed of light in water divided by speed of light in glass. Now this, the ratio of speed of light in water divided by speed of light in glass, this represent the refractive index of glass with respect to water.